just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Funland Arcade. Are you having fun? It is Panda here, and today I'm doing something a little different today. I am going to make banana bread. Let's start it off right here. So let me get acquainted really quick, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, so first things first, it told us to get 3 bananas. Right now I'm actually going to take my wedding ring off because I'm not supposed to have that on. And I'm going to go ahead and add the 3rd banana in there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a fork from here.
I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
So now the bananas look exactly how they need to be. If they come off okay, cool. Every fucking bit counts, okay? Get the butter. And I'm supposed to grab a container. 3/4. Oh, 1/3. 1/4. Got the 1/4 for the butter. And what we're also going to do is we're going to melt it. So we gotta melt it. So let's get to it. Now we are melting the butter. And the butter takes about 30 seconds. That's what I normally do. I kind of like just mix it around so it fully melts. And I'm holding the camera too. If this ain't multitasking, I don't know what is. Fully melted. Gonna place the camera back up there. And then I'm gonna grab the egg, baking soda, baking powder? Yeah, no, that was right. Okay, baking soda, flour, and then sugar and a little bit of salt. Also vanilla extract. So I'll get back on that soon. We have our vanilla extract. We also have our flour and our baking soda. Oh, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that egg. And I completely forgot. Oh my god, you can see what I'm wearing. What an embarrassment. It's pretty cold, so I'm wearing my panda socks. Don't judge me. So I got the egg. Go. Let's see what it says to do. The butter melted. Then got your egg. You crack it. You got your egg. You crack it. Then it tells you sugar. Got all about the sugar. 1/2 cup of sugar. Holy crap, this might be all I have. This has to be 1/2 cup. It's got your 1/2 cup. Oh, this is perfect. It's just enough sugar for my coffee tomorrow. And vanilla. So 1 teaspoon is, if I'm not mistaken, 1 teaspoon is like literally a teaspoon. Because I know I had a thing. Let's see, where's it at? Yeet, it's not in here. And pour that on there. Cool. This is when I mix it. Oh my god. It smells so good.
Why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Holy shit. There's one. I'm supposed to use the rest of it, but like nothing is. There we go. Might as well. I didn't have much anymore. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Dump that on there.
keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh,
perfect. We're gonna go ahead and use this to put the banana bread in. And put it on there.
keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Put fucking eggs inside the freezer. Like that's gonna help. Minutes. Want to do more cooking videos? Give it a like. Give it a thumbs down if you guys don't want me to do any more cooking videos. But either way, I look like a damn cockatoo. It's Yuki, but you guys don't know Aku. Yeah, this is Aku. Yeah. He loves attention, right? Love attention, 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 love attention, attention, attention. Love attention. He's saying, save me. Nope. That is wifey. You can smell the banana. Do I look like abnormally strange? Like maybe my lips aren't supposed to be this big on my face? Like actually 42 minutes and I'll let you guys know what is going on with the banana bread. So I shall be right back. So it's been an hour. It's been a whole hour. And now the banana bread is done. Just took it out. It looks so pretty though. This to cool down, and then I'll start cutting it up to show y'all, and then I'll take a piece to see how it tastes. So I'll get back on that. Look at how square that is. It's still kind of warm. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh no! The truth. Sure. It tastes like a banana muffin. It tastes so good. What's the banana cake? Hope you guys enjoyed. That's it for today's video. Please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm actually pretty fucking funny. And that's it for today's video. See ya. Bye.